My name is Judith and I am a mentor in a hospital school. The two things I have learned thanks to this program. The first one is definitely how to create a safe and secure environment with a young person. And the second one is all about the mentoring, what it is, what does it cover, and what it is all about. A new perspective I have and I gained is to have now a better vision of a program, an entire program from the beginning to the end, from the onboarding to the closing relationship. I didn't get that before at all. The learning I will implement in my practice will be to keep in mind the objective for the young person I have and how I can translate it in activities.